Let's demonstrate a traditional lash lift using our new BRIK and Pearl formulation. Before we begin, we are brushing through the lashes to assess density and the lash growth direction. We are now going to cleanse the lashes to ensure there are no remaining residue of oils, cleansers, or anything built up along the lash line. We aim for a clean slate to start our treatment. Once our lashes are cleansed, we are going to apply our under eye pads to protect the lower lashes. We want to identify if any lashes have been caught underneath the eye pad and using our tools to pull them out so we can achieve that beautiful lifted result. Once the lashes are secure, we are going to apply our shield. We have chosen a hybrid shield as this is the most suitable option for the client's eye shape and natural lash growth direction. We are applying the shields nice and flush with the lash line to allow that beautiful bend at the base of the natural lash. Once our shields are in position, we are applying some Elleebalm directly to the shield and then wrapping our lashes up into position using our application brush. We want to make sure that all of the lashes have Elleebalm on them from base to tip so that they stay in position throughout the treatment. Once we have secured those lashes into position, we are using our lifter tool to separate and comb through the lashes. We want to ensure that they are lifted into position and all placed symmetrically and evenly across the lash line from base to tip, avoiding any crossed bases and neat lash wrap, as this is going to provide us with the ultimate lash lift result. Once those lashes are in position, we are going to apply our step 1 lifting lotion. Using our application brush, we build up the product across the middle of the lash and apply it nice and close to the base and then bringing it up towards the tips. This is a system that is able to come into contact with the tips of the lashes safely. We aim for even coverage across both eyes so all of the lashes process at the same time. This will guarantee consistency in our lifts. Once your lotion has been processing, we want to implement our flex check. We aim for a nice bend, a V shape, as this is going to indicate that the lashes are processed and ready for step 1 to be removed. We recommend assessing the outer corner, the midsection, and the inners because very often they can process at different rates. The inners, they are generally more thin and process faster. So we do need to be monitoring this and removing from the inners first if necessary. Once you have identified that the lashes have processed, we are going to remove our step 1 lifting lotion all the way across the lash line thoroughly. We want to ensure that all of the product is removed to avoid continual processing. We are now going to identify if the lashes are processed on the next eye. Once they are bending nicely, we are going to go in and follow the same removal steps. Before we apply our step 2 setting lotion, we are going to use our precision lifter tool to separate those lashes into position. We need them to be placed beautifully before applying step 2, as this is the step that's going to lock in the newly lifted position. Once those lashes are in position, we're going to apply our step 2 setting lotion, following the same steps as when we applied our step 1 lifting lotion. We want to lock in those bonds in the same areas where we broke them down. We're aiming for even coverage across both eyes. We are then going to go in and do our set check. This is going to determine if the lashes are processed. We implement this by bending a lash And if it springs back up or shows resistance, it is an indication that the lashes are processed and step 2 is ready to be removed. We are removing our step 2 setting lotion with a dry cotton tip. To help hydrate the lashes and encourage them to come away from the rod, we like to saturate the lashes evenly all the way across the lash line so that they're all being nourished and conditioned post-treatment. Once those lashes are nice and nourished, we are going to use a long stem microtip applicator to remove the bulk and help those lashes come away from the rod. We are then going to remove the shields and the under eye pads to assess our beautiful lifted results using our Brick and Pearl formulation.